up and welcome back to my channel. I want to start off by apologizing. I have been MIA on here for most of the week. Guys, I have been going crazy in this house. For most of you, you know that I am a hairstylist and have a salon in my home. And with the situation with COVID, as well as having the kids home and doing clients, I've been going crazy. So in today's video, I have a pretty quick clean with you. I have shrank it down to 10 minutes. I think it took me 40 minutes in total. So I'm starting off here in the backyard. When I filmed this video, I had just finished doing a client. So before it started to get really dark, I wanted to come out, organize all the pool stuff. My fear is that a big windstorm will come through and it will just go everywhere. We do have a chain link fence on one side of our property, so just taking precautions so stuff doesn't fly over there. And this is what I've been doing since the beginning of the summer, is just sticking all of the pool floaties underneath the ladder. Next year, I need to think of a better resource out some better ways to store these pool toys, but for that's what I'm going to be doing. So after I'm done tidying up this backyard, getting the cover on the pool, I'm going to go inside and finally clean up after my clients, sweep up the hair, get everything ready, sanitize, sterile, clean for the next day. After that, I'm going to head on into the kitchen and I'm going to tidy that up and finish it off with a good sweep. Guys, I ordered some amazing DIY countertop kit, which I am super stoked to do. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that is going to be a full series that I do on this channel. But until then, here is some awesome cleaning content. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll check in with you guys in a bit.
I remember yesterday, but the days when I come back, we went out at night and day, we enjoyed the life. I remember in your car, because until we were tired, baby, you're my lullaby, you're my daylight. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days. I miss you, I miss you, I miss those days, I miss those days.
Now that I've moved into the salon, I'm going to get everything sanitized, sterilized, clean all the hair out of my brushes, spray them with the cleaner, get rid of the towels, do a good sweep, wipe everything down, and turn off the light, because that is the best part about working at home, is that all I have to do is turn off the light and I'm home. It's the quickest commute I've ever had in my life.
It's just too hard to move when you're standing right there. It's just too hard to walk away and leave it like that. Can we give it one more night? Just one more night. One more night, one more night, just one more night.
so let's talk cleaning products for a second. In the left-hand corner there of the screen, you can see that I have a bottle there with the white top and the blue liquid. This product, which is a Rescü product, it's called Rescü, R-E-S-C-U, 2 dots above the U. It is a product that I picked up at our local grocery store, Freshco. I believe it was in the range of $3 to $5, and I also picked up a huge gallon jug to refill this, which I do remember was $8.99. It is amazing. It is a disinfectant. It kills 99.9% of germs, viruses on surfaces, and I have used this on mirrors. I've used it on the top of my stove, on the countertops, on my stainless steel fridge, and as well as my solid wood table. So if you guys are in the field for looking for a new disinfectant cleaner, this one works really well, and it is
my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give
like I said at the beginning of the video, I purchased a DIY countertop kit makeover, and I am so stoked to get it. Amazon Prime just needs to hurry up and get it to me. It does have a delivery date of September 22nd, so you guys are gonna have to wait a little bit of time before you get to see that video. However, I am going to do an entire kitchen reno. I'm talking a backsplash, new countertop, new caulking around this sink because Lord knows it needs it. I'm gonna be painting the walls, painting my cupboards. Guys, it is going to be awesome, and it is going to be a series that I will do here on this channel. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's cleaning video. I got quite a bit of stuff done, but there is so much more to do. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.